letu tu ni moja. Watu watumie maji safi, waoge mikono, na wale ambao wanachuuza vyakula mitaani, mimi nasema ya kwamba hakikisha vyakula vyako vinachuuzwa katika mazingira ambayo ni masafi. Kwa sababu iwapo kutatokea kipindupindu mahali popote pale, hatutasita kamwe kufunga uchuuzi wa vyakula.
The residents of the county of Machakos, the outbreak of cholera, with floods comes contamination. With contamination, various diseases are likely to be bred. Now, for us as a government, it is our duty to protect the citizens.
County Secretary will oversee that being done immediately, because Minister for Finance has already released anything to do with the fuel. So it is full swing as far as cleanliness is concerned. Solid waste, hiyo ni maneno, hata County Secretary has already added more staff to ensure we improve our sanitation. While we were meeting, we have also mobilized equipment in terms of rollies, so that we can go and do a lot of this garbage collection, so that we can prevent anything that might happen.
So that we
Thirikari